everybody, welcome to my channel. It's nice for you to join me again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Just bringing the spirits, calling on the spirits to help us by giving us some messages from the Divine Masculine to Divine Feminine. It smells really good. Okay. Spirit, please, what does Divine Masculine want Divine Feminine to know today? If this resonates with you, that's wonderful, and that makes me very happy. And if it doesn't, there might just be one thing you were meant to hear. If you're drawn to the video, that is. And if not, then maybe the next one will be for you. So, we have the High Priestess, Death, the Five of Pentacles, and Temperance in reverse. So the High Priestess has to do with intuition, your subconscious mind, unexplored potential. Of course, we know the Death card is change and transformation, transition, major change, transformation. The Five of Pentacles, fives are typically, let's just see here. Yeah, fives are typically, they show that there's a challenge that is you're either going through now or will be going through. Something to shake up your world a little bit. And there will be an initial struggle. And these struggles they temper us. They teach us. They help us grow. And fives represent the throat chakra, which is communication. So you might need to be ready to have some communication with your Divine Masculine. He's going to communicate with you, even if it's not in the 5D, or sorry, not in the 3D. Maybe he is communicating with you through that string connection in the 5D that you guys have. So he is looking forward. He thinks that you're very mysterious, Divine Feminine. He really likes that about you. He feels you're a very intuitive person. And he feels you don't give yourself enough credit. But there is a struggle that one or both of you will be going through or are going through that is going to strengthen you, help, or strengthen the twins. Maybe I feel like it's both of you that will be strengthened through this challenge or this struggle. But I feel like once you've made it through and you've grown and learned, I feel like there'll be so much healing and lightness in your souls, lightness in the energy and it will just, you will attract each other like magnets and move forward into union. So here's another challenge card, Swords, Five of Swords. Open to change, past resentment. The devil is usually some sort of addiction or manipulation. Somebody is being manipulated, is what I feel. Someone is being manipulated easily because of something they did. So I feel like one of the twins did something that caused the other one to mistrust. I feel like its divine masculine did something that has caused the divine feminine to mistrust him. She's unsure of how she feels about him right now. Of course, she loves him, but she's being apprehensive. She's being careful because of these addictions and overindulgences the divine masculine has. He can be verbally abusive, and nobody deserves that. Man, woman, child, whoever, nobody deserves to be verbally abused. And so if you are in a situation like that, let me just take this opportunity to ask you to reach out for help. There's help everywhere. And you don't deserve to be treated like that. And you are supported by the spirit world. Your divine masculine loves you. The spirits love you and want to help you. But don't be tricked. Don't be tricked into this game that this divine masculine seems to be playing right now. Three of Wands in reverse. Delays, lack of motivation, weighed down. Delays in accepting things the way they are. Wanting more control of the situation. I get that I feel like this is the divine feminine who is feeling really turned upside down right now. She's feeling manipulated. She's feeling manipulated by the divine masculine. He's controlling. He is possessive, and he's jealous. I get just a feeling of be careful. Keep your eyes open. Keep your options open. Eight of Wands in reverse. Frustration. The Two of Wands. possible partnership. The Six of Swords in reverse. Cannot move on, carrying baggage. And the Ace of Swords in reverse. Confusion, chaos, lack of clarity. I feel like this divine masculine and his divine feminine really have a lot of work to do in order to come into union. The both of them have a lot of work to do. Divine feminine, you need to learn about boundaries. You need to learn about setting boundaries. Just because he's your divine masculine does not mean you would let him treat you poorly. Am I right? Stand up for yourself, sister, as long as it's safe, of course. And if you don't feel safe, then you need to, you have to ask for help. A good place to start for asking for help is with your spirit, with the spirits. Ask your angels, ask them for help, ask them for guidance. Because that guidance will come from within, and it will be the right thing for you to do. I think you know what the right thing to do is anyway. You're definitely nervous about having to assert yourself, having to put a line in the sand. I know you want to be his everything, divine feminine. You are his everything. I feel like you need to put yourself first, divine feminine. The Ten of Swords in reverse. Recovery, regeneration, fear of ruin, inevitable end. The Seven of Pentacles. Work and patience rewarded. Good news financially. Perseverance, profit, reward. The Nine of Wands in reverse. On edge, defensive, hesitant, paranoia. And the King of Cups in reverse. Emotional manipulation, moodiness, volatility. There's a lot of manipulation in this reading. And just because it's a masculine energy that is doing the manipulating and being abusive does not mean that it's a man. This could very well be the woman in the relationship, the female twin. At some point, though, this manipulation will stop. Whether one of you goes into silence and does not communicate further, or whether you both work through you do the spirit work and come to a place where the energy feels better. Because while this is chaotic, yucky manipulation, lower energy kind of stuff is going on, union isn't going to happen. And even if you guys did like meet up. It'd be like hook up and take off. Like it's not what we want from the twin flame reunion. You know what I mean? Like this situation needs to be dealt with one way or another. Of course, we would hope that whoever it is that's doing the manipulating would see what they're doing and realize, wake up, and change their ways. But the Tower in reverse makes me think that that isn't going to happen anytime soon anyway. I mean, this now, the Queen of Wands and the Ten of Cups, this makes me feel like it is going to happen. This is a feminine energy, which is calm, intuitive, compassionate, kind, thoughtful, and sensitive. And the Ten of Cups is the happy marriage, harmony, happiness, the wonderful life that we all, well, I guess we don't all want it, but I mean, we all want to be happy, right? So however you feel happiness is, then I think that that's what this Ten of Cups is. But I feel like whoever it is that is doing the manipulating and the abusing is going to see the light. And this person is going to change their ways because they do want to be with you. They do want to be with their twin. And so now I'm going to pull a animal spirit card for whoever's watching. And I'll just read the interpretation and we'll go from there. I kind of like this deck. I like these animal. I like the whole idea of the spirit animal, the totem animal. I just find it very interesting. Okay. What have we got? The hawk. So the hawk is a watchful, all-seeing messenger of divinity. The sharp eyes of the hawk watch our every move. This keen-eyed bird has the ability to see every little detail as well as the bigger picture. When this card appears, fate has its eyes on you, and the winds are shifting. It is said that the hawk carries news upon its wings and is sent from divinity itself to deliver it. The message should not be taken lightly. Though it may seem small or insignificant, it will eventually redirect your course. When you're in balance, this card represents you seeing clearly and being intuitive. When you're out of balance, this card represents seeing too much or being suspicious. And if you want to come into balance, you need to shift your perspective. And this hawk will assist with that by letting you see the hidden meanings, by letting you uncover secrets. I get the feeling that you need to hold your head high. I feel like you need to hear the message that if this abuse and manipulation is too much, you need to seek help. If you get nothing else from this reading, if you are in trouble, you need to reach out for help. If you're being treated poorly, you need to know that that is not okay. And that's all I'm going to say about that. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you're well. Thank you for watching. Thanks for listening. Take care, you guys. Namaste.